Oh boy. I'm gonna sneeze again. Shit. Step back from the monitor. I think I have COVID-19. I just sneezed twice in a row, or maybe it's an allergy. COVID-19 allergy, who knows? I think you're safe though, so you can take your mask off. I woke up this morning to remove my GoPro Hero 9 camera from the charger. Currently I'm charging my GoPro Hero 9 via USB cable to an AC to DC wall adapter. It's an AC 120 volt to a 5 volt DC. I woke up this morning to take the camera off the charger, and what do I find? After I remove the USB cable, both red LEDs are solid on, the red LED in the front and the back. How do you recover the GoPro in that scenario? And why in 2020 does this happen? I really don't know. But when it does happen, here's what you're going to need to do. You've just charged your GoPro Hero 9 camera, remove the USB cable from the charger, and you notice the LEDs are still on. Both the front and the back LEDs are on. You then press the battery, power button, and hold it in, nothing happens. Then I figure, hey, let's press the record button. Nothing happens. The camera's completely locked up. In the first week of ownership, this has happened to me twice. Now let's see what happens if we press both buttons down. Will this cause it to unlock? No. Pressing them both in at the same time again. No change. So in this situation, to recover the GoPro, to get it back to being operational again, you'll have to pull out the battery. And then put the battery back in. And then press the power button. That's something to be aware of with the GoPro Hero 9. If you leave it on the charger, it's seemingly not uncommon for it to completely lock up. And the first time it happens, you kind of freak out and go, oh my God, what happened? My camera, it doesn't work anymore. It's like the lights are stuck on and I can't use it anymore. So the key is just remove the battery, slide the battery back in, hit the power button, and you'll be fine.